About the
All new design.
Wait a minute.
iPhone 15 Plus 256GB storage variant in the MKBHD approved matte black color variant. Unlike the barely blue, pinch of pink, got some green and young looking yellow colors to choose from. Since I was upgrading from a shiny blue fingerprint magnet iPhone 13, the new iPhone 15 series has an upgrade in their back glass with matte texture, which I think they swapped places with the camera housing from the previous generation and called it the all new color infused back glass. And I chose the matte black color variant because I barely saw colors in the rest of the white color options. Enough with the color roast, let's open the box.
That's hot. That's hot.
This is the MKBHD color approved iPhone variant and I love it. But let's keep it aside for a moment and check out the all new part in this year's box, which is the Type-C cable. This cable is also braided unlike the retired lightning cable. If the cable was color coordinated with the iPhone color, that would have been nice. And we also get this SIM ejector tool. US variant will not have the tool due to eSIM, and we also get Apple stickers. Still trying to figure out where to use them, which I received from my previous iPhone 13. Anyway, let's keep all this aside and remove the screen cover. I wish I had an ASMR channel to capture the peel of sound. This is the first time I'm using any smartphone having larger screen size since I am used to the smaller iPhone 13 and my previous companion Google Pixel 2. And the matte black color is just spectacular. I am definitely applying a clear case at the back to show off the color and protect the iPhone as well, since I did not buy the Apple Care for my iPhone. I also love to make illustrations on my iPad, and I have created a free wallpaper pack for my iPhone 15 to make it even more unique. If you want to have it for free, you can click the Buy Me Coffee link in the description and download it. Also, if you want to support my channel and my illustration, you can buy me a coffee as well. Highly appreciated. Click here to check out how you can transfer all your data from your old iPhone or an Android phone to your brand new iPhone with a step-by-step guide. See you over there.